Coffee Crat L times.
Eat inside.
I don't know. It must be. The lift is so huge. Look at the little wheels.
That's a big ride.
Or it's closed.
Look!
Oh
Six
my
Flags.
god.
Six Flags.
Look how freaking high we are on a miler.
I do. Whoa! Is this safe?
What the?
No!
Oh, what is
Airtime hill.
We're really far down.
I smashed my ankle.
I love how the banking is like, we'll go a little left and then start banking to the right.
Look, it just drops.
Really at the top of that drop, you just start banking a little left and then it's like, oh. No, that's just a bad connection. We gotta go to the right. Oh! That was really damn good.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Prarie Screamer. I don't know what ride is. I'm like,
Welcome back, Screamer Riders. We hope you enjoyed your ride.